Yo guys, this is Dan Rand here. We're going to be playing Subway Surfers. Okay.
Oi.
We're going to play Subway Surfers. Well, Anthony, I'm not playing this and I am recording this. So, I'll just go in the corner and start recording.
Wow. Coming. I'm based at Subway Surfers. I'm based at Subway Surfers.
Okay, we got my name. Let's go, guys. First I'm playing the same ages.
This is what you do every day today.
Okay.
If you log into Facebook, you get that. I logged into it. So now I just have it. Well,
You did win.
Oh!
Really? Come on, man. I'm trying to do this.
I'm based.
Hey, oh
Big boot. Can jump.
Yeah, I know. We can do this, guys.
I'm based at Subway Surfers.
Okay.
no!
I got this, guys. I got this.
I got this in the bed.
I got this in the bed.
I got it. Oh.
Play GTA then.
Oh, can I play first? Can I play first, please?
Excuse me. Guys, I know you're doing stuff.
I can repeat. Everyone's doing it.
No, I don't.
Shut up.
Oh, very big.
Oh, I'm trying to do a video here.
You look dying.
Shut up, man. Very funny. And you love, what's his name? You love Teresa.
You do.
You do?
Dad loves everybody.
Nice to know.
Ah.
Not windy. No one's farted.
Really?
Come on, why is that GTA ain't even loaded yet, guys? Yes, we got 3, but we died! Woohoo!
Hey, what?
What we got?
Go.
I'm trying to cook.
I have it.
You quitting something.
What's this? No, I'm
Harry
kidding.
Potter.
It's not Harry Potter. It's Harry Potter. The musical. Musical.
Oh, just spoiler noise.
The grenades.
So,
Grenade. Mercy.
Stop crying.
The big throw grenade at the
So-
car.
Okay.
we're gonna stop it.
Can you do anything?